We've just acquired this Jaguar XF. It's the 2.2 diesel. It's the luxury premium. As a luxury premium, it has a lot more extras than the luxury. So we've got front park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, keyless entry, rear park distance control on the back and a camera, rear spoiler. Wheels are in stunning condition, all on Michelin tyres. Very well looked after, this car. Lovely colour combination. It's got electric seats, full leather seats, electric windows, mirrors, Meridian stereo system, memory seats, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, all the air vents will go up, turn them on. It's got DAB, satellite navigation, climate control, 3-stage heated seats, augs and a USB there. It's done 102,925 miles. The boot is lovely. It is soft close. I'll just show you that. Full Jaguar service history up to 2019 and then independent. We've just serviced it. Boot area is in lovely condition, and we've got soft close on the boot, so just a lovely touch. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.